Ever noticed how arrows appear to flip when viewed through a glass of water? Well, it's all because of something called refraction. Refraction is like a cool magic trick that happens when light moves through different materials. You see, when we look at something, we're actually seeing the light that bounces off that thing and goes into our eyes. But when light moves through different materials like air, glass, and water, it can change how things look. This happens because of something called density. Density is how crowded the particles are in a material. Light moves at different speeds through materials with different densities. For example, it moves slower through water than through air because water is denser. Now, let's imagine an arrow and the light rays coming from it to our eyes. When we put a glass of water between the arrow and our eyes, something interesting happens. The light rays bend, causing the head of the arrow and the tail of the arrow to bend toward the center. They cross over each other and then open up again. But here's the twist. The light from the head of the arrow is now on the other side. That's why it looks like the arrow has flipped. It's like a fun little optical illusion by the way light behaves in different materials.